name is Mohammed Amin Busta. My project is DZ Skateboards, and it's Algeria's first ever skate shop. So yeah, like obviously I'm half Algerian, and when I went to Algeria, there was no skate shops. And this really made me think, like, how does the biggest country land-wise in Africa not have a skate shop? For years I let that idea go, and obviously I started doing product design at uni. And around about that time, we got our first ever skate park, and I thought there's still a chance. So I managed to get a shop, and I managed to buy a product, and yeah, it's going well so far. So obviously for us, it's not easy starting a business while balancing a degree, but it's an amazing project. My uni supported me so much, and I've learned a lot, whether it be through fixing things or making models or editing videos. Like, I've learned so much along the way. And yeah, it's a wonderful project for me, I guess. I did do design technology when I was in secondary. I did move on to do like mechanical engineering in college, but I knew it wasn't for me deep down. I think product design, that sort of stuff was more down my alley. Yeah, it's more what I loved, you know. Wasn't really the fan of the maths, but but I did love like making things and just putting things together. So I think, yeah, design technology was a massive part for me growing up. Whether it be like, for example, fixing panels to put shelves, or just painting things, or just getting my hands messy. I really love that sort of stuff. So yeah, definitely played a big part. Favorite part, it's hard to limit, but I'd say community. Because obviously for me, I built a really big community online. And not only that, like when we were holding events to like promote the skate shop and just kind of learn about Algerian skateboarding, they've been nothing but supportive. And yeah, so community, I think, was the biggest thing for me. It was the biggest motivator. It was the reason I didn't give up on the dream, because without the community, like, I wouldn't be where I'm at. And yeah, it's just a massive support for me, so I'm pretty grateful. I wouldn't say rush and jump into university if that's what you not feel right now, but I definitely say be passionate about what you do, because it could be take a gap year, learn more about your subject, go in. It could be go straight in. It could be not even go to university at all. But I wouldn't advise someone to go just because they feel forced. I'd say go university with the right intentions. That way, when you come to study, you're going to have a true love for what you're doing. I think that's really important. There's no point to give up or just waste 3 years if you feel just because your parents are forcing you. I feel like really believe in what you do. And if that's what you truly want to do, push and give like your 100% for it. So don't always think it can't happen later down the line. Like, university is forever in a way once you turn 18. So yeah, just be really passionate and be 100% about what you do. That always helps.